Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Box 2 2009 Donruss Elite Baseball. Looking for a hot box. Looking for a hot box. Or looking for just as good of a box as last break. And there's one pack sticking in there. Empty. Here we go. Right off the bat, an autograph for the Mariners, Kyle Seager. This one is numbered out of 100. One pack, one auto. Kyle Seager, there's a start. Let me put all the hits actually to the side so I don't mess them up. Alright. Pack 2. Will be a Jared Mitchell, School Colors, LSU. And the rest is base. Hey, Tiffers. Drew Storen, School Colors. Insert. Next auto will be AJ Jimenez. This one's numbered out of 699 for the Blue Jays autograph. AJ Jimenez. So 2 autographs so far. There's 6 per box, but unless we hit a hot box, which would be great. No decoy in this. Another autograph. Oh my God, sick. Sick, sick, sick. Wow. Rookie autograph, high numbered, 695. We pulled a Chapman, fellas. We pulled a Chapman for the Reds.
Not all about basketball for him. He's a dynamic person, a dynamic human being who does so many things differently. He's got talents in all these areas.
Really nice. High numbered, but still great hit. Numbered out of 200 for the Mariners, Kyle Seager, die cut, blue. Who had the Reds anyway? Rock Chalk. All base. Jason Kipnis and Ike Davis. Insert. I will never be in that club, Lon. Brad Boxberger and Robert Stock. There's only one fire hands, just saying. Only one fire hands. Alright, we're almost done with half the box right now. And another autograph of Garrett Richards for the Dodgers. This one's numbered out of 470. Garrett Richards. How many hits did we get so far? 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. Halfway done with the box. All base. And more base. Hopefully that changes, line. We will see. Rookie autograph for the Pirates. You guys were asking if Pirates are in here. Zach Von Rosenberg, numbered at a 770 autograph for the Pirates. So, should be one hit left unless we hit a hot box, and all of them are in the end, all the autos, but we'll see. Unless we're due at least one more autograph. And here it is, Grant Desmay. Oakland A's, numbered out of 100. Grant Desmay. So let's pull a hot box. Come on, how many packs? 2, 4, 6 packs left. 6 remaining. Do we have a hot box? We got all 6 hits already. That's all base. The Athletics. A Dustin Ackley, pretty nice. Elite Series for the Mariners. Base, 2 packs left. No hot box. Sick box, though, in my opinion. A red die cut of Josh Fegley for the White Sox. What up, Micah? And a Zach Wheeler for the Giants, blue die cut. So there it is. Nice box overall. We hit, where is he? We hit the Chapman autograph. We'll be back. GSNCards is out.